Hello, I'm Chris, your GCC registration compliance consultant. This video will tell you how the overseas Chinese medicinal materials export to China. In the last video, I mentioned that some food categories are subject to the access mechanism of GCC when exported to China, and Chinese medicinal materials are no exception. The GACC implements a strict access system for Chinese medicinal materials from abroad, and only if a certain Chinese materials from a certain country or region get the access can it be exported to China. Before exporting to China, overseas enterprises in the production, processing, and storage of Chinese medicinal materials need to register with the GACC system. If you want to know whether your product has the access or not, welcome to send direct messages to me. How does an enterprise register? Unlike food, all access to Chinese medicinal materials must be registered by official recommendation method by the competent authorities of the country or region, and enterprises cannot register with the GCC by themselves. In addition, since some Chinese medicinal materials can also be used as food materials, enterprises need to specify the use of products for medicinal purpose when applying for registration, hence distinguish it from food. Only the Chinese medicinal materials applied for medical usage can be processed, sold, or stored as medicine in China. What documents do enterprises need to prepare? In addition to the information provided by the competent authorities of the country or region where they are located, enterprises should also submit the application for the GCC registration, the plan of the factory, workshop, warehouse, process flow chart, documents of animal or plant quarantine prevention and control system, photos of epidemic prevention and disinfection treatment facilities, photos of waste and packaging harmless treatment facilities, and other relevant documents. What is the registration process? After the competent authorities submit the relevant materials to the GCC, the GCC shall first conduct a compliance review of the written materials. If the review passes, the GCC shall negotiate with the competent authority to conduct on-site inspection of the enterprises applying for registration, and the enterprises that pass the inspection shall be registered. How long does the registration valid? The GCC registration validity period is 4 years. If the enterprise needs to extend the registration, it needs to submit the application 6 months before the expiration of the validity period. The registration validity will be extended for 4 years after passing the retrospective examination held by the GCC. So, this is today's video about how medicinal materials export to China. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and forward. And if you have more questions about the GCC registration, please leave your comment or direct message me. I am Chris, your GCC compliance consultant. See you next time.